If you've been in the aquarium hobby for any length of time, chances are you've spilled water, whether that's from your RODI unit leaking during water changes. You've spilled water all over the floor, gotten your shoes wet, your feet soaked, and that's no fun. Well, today I'm going to be unboxing a product that keeps your feet dry even when there's water everywhere. What's up everyone, welcome back to the Coral Reef Talk. In today's episode, we're doing a very special unboxing of some waterproof shoes. Now wait, I know you may be asking, what do shoes have to do with reef aquariums? Well, as reef hobbyists, we're surrounded by water, whether we're doing water changes, mixing up a fresh batch of salt water, we're always around water. And well, accidents happen and water can get everywhere, whether you leave a pump on or you forget that your siphon is still going, or you're doing a water change and you spill water all over the floor. Whatever the case may be, not only do you spill water on the floor, but if you're like me, you've spilled water all over yourself, all over your shoes. Now your socks are soaking wet. Come on, I can't be alone in this, right? So today we're going to be unboxing a pair of Vessi shoes. Now what's special about Vessi is they are 100% waterproof. All right, let's get to the unboxing. Now I wanted to share Vessi shoes with all of you because I think they'd really benefit us in the reef aquarium hobby because we're surrounded by water like every single day, doing water changes and all that stuff. Like I said in the title card, you spill water, Vessi's got you covered because they are 100% waterproof. You can wear these things in any weather to keep your feet dry and your socks dry. Now, I already have a pair of these. They're a different color. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at the Weekend, and the color is asphalt black. Now, there's a variety of different colors that Vessi has to offer and different styles that they have for you as well. The style of this shoe is called the Weekend. They also have Vessi Everydays, and there's some slip-on options as well, and some others that we can jump into. But what's really neat about Vessi's is the Dymatex technology. Now this is a knitted material, the world's first ever dual climate knitted material that keeps your feet warm during the winter and cool during the summer. So it's a pretty neat shoe. I'm excited to unbox this and take a look at what these ones look like. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now the unboxing process is very simple. And I like what they do with their box. Check that out. Rain or shine, adventure awaits. And you can see the clouds right here with the raindrops represent that they're big about being waterproof, 100% waterproof. I like that. Welcome to the Dry Socks Club. Now, inside here you have a sticker pack, and then you have all the information about the Vessi shoes that you purchased, as well as a fit guide and a cleaning guide and all of that inside. But let's get to the shoe. Now, like I said, this pair of shoes is called the Weekend, and I selected the black and white ones, and look at those. Those are looking nice. Now you can see the Dymatex knitted material. That looks really cool, nice and clean. I like the black and white. Check out the underneath right here. Now another interesting fact about Vessi is that they are 100% vegan. No animal products are used at all in the shoe. So that's really cool right there. There it says Vessi right there on the back of the shoe. Let's get this box out of the way. And here they are. Look at that. Now, right off the bat, real quick, I have to say that I like the style of the Weekend because they look like a normal sneaker. I used to skateboard all the time, so this is the style of shoe that I would wear. So if you're into the Weekend, this is looking pretty sleek. Look at that up close. Now, when you first put these on, as time goes by, this part right here is going to form to your foot, making a tighter, more comfortable fit. It's time to take them out and find your first puddle. Well, in the reef aquarium hobby, we make our own puddles. So let's put these guys on and put them to the test. Now, another neat thing about these shoes is that they are a stretchy, lightweight material, the lightest waterproof sneaker in the world. And you can just pull this to get your foot in, tie them like normal to keep them tight. But like I said, as you go on, this part will conform to your foot, making it a more comfortable fit. Okay, so if you're still carrying buckets, we're gonna go ahead and pour some out right here. Look at that. Look at that, it just beads right off. Okay, so you say it's time for a water change. You put your siphon in, get your bucket right here, start your siphon. And instead of it getting in your bucket, just like that. I really like how comfortable the shoe is and the support that it gives my foot, and I really like the fact that it's waterproof. It's gonna help me not only around the reef tank, but it's gonna help me as I venture off into any weather, really. So for example, this is the other shoe that I was talking about that I've been wearing for quite a while, and I actually took this shoe on a trip with me to Tennessee where it was snowing, and I actually did some hiking in it and got my foot all the way in the snow, kept my foot and my socks completely dry, and my feet were comfortable inside the shoe the entire time. So if you found anything in this video valuable, I hope you'll go to Vessi.com and check these out. And if you'd like to save $15 on a pair of your own Vessi shoes, you can use the code CORALREEF at checkout and you'll save $15 off a pair of shoes there. So just remember, if you're working around your tank or you're out and about and things are about to get messy, just choose Vessi. And thank you so much for watching this video and clicking that subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.